Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your referral link on Rover. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your referral link on Rover. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Rover. Next, click on the bottom right hand corner where it says more. Then go ahead and scroll all the way down and click on invite a friend to Rover, gift a $20 credit, and earn a $20 credit. So once you click on this option here, you're going to see your referral link where you can click on share now and then go ahead and click on copy link. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your referral link on Rover. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.